Hi, my name is Yvonne Carreño, and I'm doing a presentation, my major applied research presentation for EDTC 515. My presentation is on ST Math. ST Math is also known as GG Math to many students. Here on my screen, you'll see the home screen for ST Math. ST Math is a math-based learning tool used as visual math instruction. It is created by Mind Research Institute. ST Math is a game-based instructional software for students between K through 12 and is designed to boost math comprehension and proficiency through visual learning. It can be used at school or it can be used at home and assigned as homework. It is an interactive game that is non-verbal. ST in ST Math stands for spatial temporal. ST reasoning is an area of artificial intelligence which draws from the field of computer science, cognitive psychology. The theoretic goal on the cognitive side involves representing and reasoning. So let's get started, and I'll tell you a little bit about the experience I've had. Today I have Lily helping me out, my assistant. Okay, Lil, take us through.
Okay, so for my password, I have a bunny, a potato, a fridge, L, speaker, 2, a fire, mushrooms, hill, pencil.
So you'll notice that Lily's taking us through it. It's all visual. It's a completely visual password. So it's different steps. Each group is different representations. Some are toys, some are items you'd find at home or at school. Lily, did you ever forget your password?
Yes, I did.
What happened during that time?
My teacher had to put in a code, and it took me to the beginning, and I had to start over everything, so all my progress deleted.
Okay, so let's go. Let's keep going.
I have a kite, and last of all, a train.
Good job, Lil. So now we see Gigi, the penguin, taking us through. All right. Now, Lily's currently on place value. We see here, down here, and it'll show her progress. So her overall progress, this is her percentage completed this way, and this is in the sessions that she's done. So it shows that progress. And you could also see progress in different ways because you can choose to see the objective. Okay, let's go back. Okay, Lily, take us through. So she's currently going through place value.
Okay, I'm at 65%.
And there's Gigi, the penguin, who walks us through the different stages. And we're trying to get ahead and send Gigi ahead every time. So there's Lily at level 3 on her petals place value. So the number we have here is 3,093. Now I tried to get ahead of this level yesterday and it took me forever. The problem was that 3,093, I would think this was the thousands, this was the hundreds, this was the tens, and this was the ones. And even though I know that this is more than 100. I know this is less than 1,000. I couldn't get it through that I was choosing the wrong ones. I actually thought there was a problem with the program. So Lily had to explain to me that they're not in order. She has to figure out where that the ones connect with this 3. And this is the tens that go with the 9. Okay, Lily, let's take us through.
Okay, so I have 3,000, so I'll go to 3. And I have 0, 0, 100, so I'll press this. And I have 9 tens and 3 ones.
So then it goes through again and shows us the answer. Here we go. That was correct. And so here we have more options. Now we have 8,886. So we have to find the thousands groups. Then she goes to the hundreds groups, the tens, and then the ones. Here we are. So that's 8,000s, and this is the bunch. Ooh, she chose 9, so that was wrong. So she lost to Gigi. She'll have one more chance to get this right. So we're going to go again with the 8,000s, 800, 86. So she got that right. So I want to show you over here. Let me see if I can move this down. That down here, it shows what percentage she needs to complete to get, she has one more Gigi left, and she's 25% done with this. So once she's done, we can go back and check our progress. Again, we could go on, move to the next level, and we'll see here that the petals place value is almost completed. And she could check to see where she's at. So scores for level 1, she was at 100%. Objective progress, her percentage went up. She was at, let's see, it looks like 60% out of 15 attempts. So that's much better. And then we'll see here where she is, the pre-quiz, and then she'll take a post-quiz to see where she's at. Okay. Lily, what's one of the things you like most about Gigi?
I like the penguin. It's cute.
You like the penguin. Mm-hmm. It is a cute penguin, and that really motivates kids to move on. And they can also compete with each other to see who can move their penguin to the next step, who still is behind. One of the criticisms about Gigi is that the teacher can't really check exactly where it is in the place value that they're stuck at. They either passed a level or they didn't pass a level, but it's hard for her to assess exactly what it is that she struggled with. It's kind of a big picture kind of thing. And so she would have to pay closer attention as the child's working to see exactly what the struggle might be. But again, it has been successful, and it's used in many school districts. Many charter schools are implementing it, and the research shows that it's doing very well. Thank you for watching my presentation on Gigi Math.